Good afternoon, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project at Three Canyons Permaculture Farm with Top Knot 25. It's not all fun and games, kids. It's not all Can-Am and high glitz and glamour. And you're looking at one of the hardest working ranchers on the planet right there. Never seen anyone with a work ethic like that. We're putting up some economical solution to, and also pain in the arse solution to putting a second course of fence up here. These rolls of fence can weigh upwards of 300 pounds. And when you start putting them above 4 feet, it gets difficult. They also cost hundreds of dollars a roll. This typical horse fence is $100 for 100 feet or so. So we're getting up higher and higher by putting in single lines. Now these are ceramic rollers for where the angle changes, and the rest of the assembly is just galvanized fence staples. That's all it is. You get the thick ones, the good ones, and you leave them loose. And now Top Knot's going to show how to put on, what is it?
These are the fence strainers, the wire strainers, so you get your tension that you want. Okay,
that's a wire strainer, and so
you weave the galvanized wire through the little hole in there. When you turn it, it tightens the fence.
Yeah, so it's important to have slack. Do you want to show them how much slack on one of those wires you need? Right there. You need about a foot of play. Is that about right?
Yep. And
so we have a run here of 200 feet. This is a 200-foot wire, which is a short wire, really easy to tighten. Couple clicks, and you're playing guitar. That's the E string. And this is so, due to seasonal shifts, we can tighten up these upper wires. Maybe a deer tries to jump in, who knows?
Yep. You'll have some sag after the winter because the cold temps, and then when it warms, the wires will stretch and sag.
All right, let's watch a full wire strainer install. Cut the galvy. I'll hold this one. Listen to those birds. Now, any good rancher should have gloves on.
So you don't cut yourself.
So you don't cut yourself. Leather gloves. Here. It's a bloodbath, folks. Here, it's a Band-Aid. That'll stop the bleeding. So look at that. Whew. I hope you're not squeamish. And that's the proprietary wrench, so that you have to spend even more money. Not only on the strainers, which can run you anywhere from $3 to $7 each, but the tool, God knows how much that is. So he's not going to cut himself this time again. I got this side. Take your time. Use the linesman. No? You just like to rush it? Get her done! So. So right now he's what down there that Top Knot's doing, he's wrapping that son bitch in there. And there he goes, hand tight, and then he goes in with the tool, proprietary, for the final tippy touch. And now we could be playing this like a harpsichord, ladies and gentlemen. Amazing work. Coming from Gobles, Michigan, one of the top ranchers, record time. How do you feel after that performance?
Like I just stepped in the hole.
Oh my God. Proper prior planning prevents piss poor performance when the grass is high and there are holes in the ground.
Is that where Al goes?
That's Al's whore. I mean, oh my God, I didn't say that. We'll have to cut that out. Say bye to the folks.
Bye, folks.
Subscribe to the channel. Share this with like-minded people. Wear leather gloves. It could be a bloodbath.